Rise and shine! Today we're making one ingredient banana bread cereal. Impossible! Oh, possible! It's so easy. I wasn't even gonna make this video, but it's tasty. So here we are. The one ingredient is banana bread. Video done. Hold up! Class is still in session. Well then, let's get started. All you need to do is cut thin strips of banana bread, then cut it again. This time into bite-sized pieces. And yes, I'm using the browned butter banana bread I made in my last video, which you can check out here. But feel free to use any banana bread you have. Then bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll need to flip the bites at least once for optimal crunchiness. And voila! Banana bread cereal! Note, I had to take some of the smaller ones out earlier, but who doesn't like snacking on the food they're making? I mean, you need energy. Okay, that's easy peasy. Banana bread made teeny. Terrible, I know, but you liked it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more baking videos. Bye!